Okay, we're doing a video of the remote control. I got the remote control right here, and when I turn it on, if you know which boat ours is with the wind generator on it, you might be able to see it, the spotlight go on and off. There it goes off, and I can't zoom in on this camera video thing, but if you look close, you should be able to see it go on. I can't tell. I mean, I can tell by looking at it, but I can't tell by looking at the phone. We're getting closer so that maybe you can see it on the... Debbie's rowing us in over a little bit closer here. And then I can show you better. But it does it from a pretty good distance. I mean, you know, far enough away that you could be a couple of boats away in an anchorage and still do it. I'm going to try to do it again. You can come on now. You can probably see it. I can see it now through the phone, which I'm using to take the video. And we also have one of the cockpit lights hooked up to it, but it's pretty light out still to, you know, to see it. But it's a pretty good distance, and looks pretty cool. That would light up the dinghy, you know, pretty good. I'll do one when it gets darker. I'll do a better video, but there it goes on, off, on. Now you can see it off. I'm gonna wear it out. On, off, on, off, on, off. I'm turning around now. And here we go. And so it is.